Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. Today we're looking at the Ferrari Magazine number 25. This is the Ferrari 250 GT California. I've got a bunch of these 250s and obviously black, I think. Not your usual Ferrari colour, but we'll have a look at the model at the end of this in closer detail. Put on the turntable. Going to go through this magazine, see what we actually get for magazine number 25. That's 25, wasn't it? Yeah. So inside this issue, the single seaters is the F1 8788. Looks like number 27 there. The 250 GT California is the production model 1957. Racetrack variant is the 360 Challenge, and the poster in this particular one, which I've not taken out, is of the 250 GT California. So Ferrari's last chance turbocharged single seater. I'm not going to read all of the information in these magazines, just gloss through them, show you what you get. You can hit pause and read if you want to. For the 1988 Formula One season, Gerhard Berger and Mikhail Alboreto were once more confirmed as Ferrari 2 drivers. They had a promising start, but aside from an impressive 1-2 at home soil, it was a disappointing year. Force reduction in power. Turbo overboost was banned. Yeah, things got started to change. Rear 90-degree V6. Capacity of 1.496.4 cc. 620 brake horsepower at 12,000 RPM. 630 when qualifying. Oh yeah, they used to have a more than qualifying, didn't they? Max speed unknown. They wouldn't tell anybody what their max speed were anyway, only what we on track. So the honours for the 87-88 were Berger second and fifth. Fifth for Berger in San Marino, that's Brazilian, sorry. Monaco was second, third for Alboreto. Mexican third, fourth for Alboreto. French third for Alboreto and fourth for Berger. German third for Berger, fourth for Alboreto. Hungarian, fourth for Berger. Italian, first and second. Portuguese, fifth for Alboreto. Spanish, sixth for Berger. And Japan, fourth for Berger. So you can see there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 DNFs for at least one of the cars. A painful season. Yeah. I do have these car number 27. It's in the set, and I think I've said it in other magazines when I've shown these, but if you see the single-seaters here or any of the other cars that they're showing, there is actually a model that comes with it later in or already previously in the magazines. 250 GT California, intended for the wealthy North American market, the 250 GT California had several special features, including headlights fed with plexiglass domes, which we actually have there. They do look nice in red. Silver actually looks really nice too. I think we've got a few silver Ferraris in this collection. Here's our poster. Have not taken any of these off or out. Did a reduction of 20 centimetres in the wheelbase on the second series 250 GT California, highlighted the sporting character of the newer model, which could displace up to an impressive 280 brake horsepower. One of the most expensive Ferraris that are out there, I think. Is the 250s. I don't know about California, but the 250s definitely. So 2.953cc engine, 3 Weber, top speed of 203 to 270. That's a huge range. That's 126 to 168 mile an hour. I'm guessing it's depending on which variant it is it? 1963 they stopped making 104 units, so 57 to 63. Very nice. Alright, racetrack variant. The race version of the 360 Modena was specially developed for Ferrari fans who wanted to compete in a single marquee event organised by Maranello. I think I might even have the 361 with that livery on it. Engine of these is a 90-degree V8 capacity of 3.586, so I guess it's rounded up to 3.6 litre. 400 brake horsepower, 8,500 RPM, and a 295 or 183 mile an hour top speed. Okay. Very nice. Sold with a sealed engine. The engine had the same configuration output, 400 brake horsepower, and the series produced Medina, but modifications were outlawed by the Ferrari Challenge regulations. To make competition as fair as possible, the engines left the factory sealed, and only adjustments permitted were the secondary components. Coming up in the next magazine, 512S model. Very nice, with our poster in the light. So magazine 26, have that out next week. Put the magazine aside, take a closer look at this beautiful, beautiful looking car. Not just the car in general, but even this model car. Very happy with this one. It's got those extra lights in the grille there. Even the silver surround around the air intake at the front there. Decent interior. See if we can get some lights on in there. So you got your dash, even the gear stick, and looks like, I don't know, ashtray or whatever it is in the centre there. With your cream leather seats are all painted. So is the door handle on the inside, and window winder. Well done. Double mirrors on this. Oh, too far. There we go. Rear end. See if we can get a little bit further out and get some more light. 4 exhaust pipes out the back. I like this. I will put it on the turntable. This is the underneath. I'm a big fan of this Ferrari collection. I think from memory 87 or 88 models, and then it stopped. Well, at least that's what I got. And it's finished. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Thank you very much for watching. Hang around for the turntable closer view, and have a great day. Cheers. Bye.